So find the value of 3x plus 4y when x is minus 2 and y is 4. So remember 3x means 3 times x. So in this case x is negative 2 plus then 4 times y, and y is 4. So 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. And then 4 times 4 is 16. Okay, so we've got minus 6 add 16. Or we could think of this as 16 minus 6. We can swap the order around there and we get 10. With number 6, we've got a division here, okay? So this fraction here means we're going to have to divide. So on the top we've got 4t, so 4 times t. And of course t happens to be 5 in this case. Then it says add w. Now w happens to be negative 2. So if we're adding a negative value, essentially we're going to be taking away, yeah? We're taking away 2 here. And then that's all divided by 3. So what we need to do is work out the top. So we need to multiply first, yeah? Okay, that has the priority there. So 4 times 5 is 20, take away 2 over 3. And then 20 take away 2 is 18 over 3. And we get 18 then divided by 3. Okay, so there's a division here and we have 6 as our answer. With number 7, now we can use a calculator for this, okay? So it says to find the value of t. So remember now, 7a means 7 times a, and a happens to be 43. And then take away then b, and b happens to be 26. Okay, so this would be in the calculator paper. So you get your calculator and we type in 7 times 43 and then take away 26. You can do all that in one go, okay? And we get the answer out to be 275. So then it says here then number 8, use the formula 5p plus 2q equals t to find the value of q when p is 4, t is 24.6. So we have to be careful here how this is set out. So 5p means 5 times p, and p we are told is 4, okay? Plus then 2q, well I don't know what q is, so I'll just leave that as q at the minute. And then it says equals to t, which is 24.6, okay? Now take your time on it, but of course that would be 20, wouldn't it? 5 times 4 is 20, plus 2q is equal to 24.6. Take a moment now to look at this, and you'll appreciate with this setup here, for this to balance, for this equation to make sense, this here would have to be what we need to add on to 20 to get 24.6. So this would need to be 4.6, wouldn't it? Because 20 and 4.6 adds to give that. So in other words, the 2q is equal to 4.6. So if 2 q's is equal to 4.6, 1q will be half of this. So you divide this by 2 and you get 2.3.